What's happening, guys? Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be regarding trading the European Open and how I do it. As explained before in previous videos, when I trade the European Open, I'm not looking for anything specifically. I'm not biased when I go into a European Open. I'm quite simply just following the price action and looking exactly at the numbers and how fast they're moving in what direction. I'm not looking at the candles, I'm not looking at anything else. I'm literally just looking at the numbers and how quickly they move. All right, so let's actually head into the video. This is a nice short and sharp video, straight to the point, and hopefully you guys get something from this. Let's head over into the trade now. With the European Open, as I explained, I'm not biased at all, okay? I don't really care what's happened before. I don't care if any economic news has come out, because when trading the European Open, you're literally jumping on the back of market orders, okay? So if a big fund wants to buy up the market for any particular reason at 8 o'clock, we want to jump on the back of that. I'm aiming for 10 or 15 points and I want to be out. Okay, this is trading the FTSE, 10 or 15 points. I don't care about anything else. I don't care what happens afterwards. I'm literally jumping on the back of their trades, okay? So let's head on to the video. So as you can see, a bit choppy. And as soon as we saw this big jump here to 651 and then 52, the way how fast this is moving, you can quite clearly see there's some serious buying action coming on here. And I literally am only aiming for 10 or 15 points. And look how fast this is moving. This is how quick European Opens can be. I'm looking for some kind of slowdown now on the numbers front. It slows down a little bit here, but I let it ride out a little bit longer because this sort of buying action is very uncommon. And for some reason, somebody wanted this particular indice to be up that morning. So that means a big buying pressure coming in. As you can see, it's going up even more now. And it really started to slow down. £700. And I think generally that was probably the fastest trade I've ever done in my life. It actually pushed on another 10 or 15 points, which is a little bit annoying. But however, as explained, I'm aiming for 10 or 15 points on the open, because what happens is after these market orders are filled, normality resumes, and then you get some kind of sell-in, or you might get continuation push upwards. But all we care about is the initial trades that's coming in, and for some reason someone was buying it for whatever reason, some big fund or funds, so we were jumping on the back of that straight away. Okay, so literally all I was doing was watching the numbers, and they really started to move and they jumped up very quickly. That's how quick the European Open can be. So yeah, that's very quick video. That's the importance of it trading the European Open. You can hold that and try and ride that for another 10 or 15 minutes. But as explained, market orders usually come in the first minute to 30 seconds of the European Open or US Open or whatever else. After that, normality will resume. So whether or not a big fund has been told by someone to purchase the FTSE at this price or whatever else, when they're purchasing, they're not purchasing one or two contracts, they're purchasing thousands. So that will move the market in such a big direction that you can jump on the back of that, okay? And I think the FTSE actually then started to come off after that initial push on upwards further, okay? So if you would have held on to that, you would end up going back to break even or whatever else. So we're literally jumping on the back of moves. We don't care about what's happened before. Even if there's some massive news where you think everybody's going to be buying it, you can't be biased going into an open. All you need to do is follow price action and follow the movement of that particular price. Don't worry about the candle, because the candle can fake you out because they look so big but they've only moved a few amount of points, okay? So just watch the numbers, watch how quickly they're moving, and then you can jump on the back of that, okay? All right, so look, I hope that helps. A very simple video. As I said, keep it nice and simple, keep it nice and straight to the point. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram. It's LockStockTom, and there's a lot of information on there, a lot of content that's coming out every single day on my Instagram story. I show you daily trades that I'm placing and profits and everything else. Some big exciting times coming up for us here on the LockStock trading platform, so stay tuned. I've got another video coming out very soon as well, so look, keep your eyes open for that, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Thank you very much.